So hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna start doing these live trades every day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload all of them, but I did get new internet, so it's easy for me to upload now. But today I have on watch GRTX for outer lines. This one I gotta be careful with because it is like the main hot chick of the day. We also have a lot of low-hanging fruit that I have lines on, and I will play those in the moment, and I have plans on every single one of them, so when they pop up, I'll explain my plans. And from now on, I'm going to try doing some live commentary during my live trades. Before I didn't. But I'm just going to act like I'm talking to myself. But yeah. So some things that I want to focus on doing right today and improving from yesterday is sizing. A lot of time I'm sizing under my 1R risk. I don't know what it is, fear or not, I don't know. But today I just want to focus on sizing correctly. That way my winners are, the right size when they are winners, and my losers are 1R. That's my goal. So I just want to size correctly, and I'm gonna practice scaling with a 30% rule, and then adding to my winner. I'm gonna practice that. And if you are watching this video is not backed by my investing club, because I probably will share this in MIC, so I'm just a member. Pre-market, I'm kind of just preparing with my tag group. We're sharing our plans, and the plans that we all agree on, those are the ones I'm mainly going to focus on. So my top watch is actually blue. This one just had an ATM yesterday as well. So there's dilution, we got supply, fresh dilution. Let me input my lines here. So these are my lines, and I use volume profile to see where the most significant an area of supply is. So I'm going to stop out over here, over this last line. And sometimes I use my risk calculator to see exactly how many shares I can get, but I'm trying to deviate from it and not use it as much because I miss plays trying to type out how many shares I can get. So I need to improve my reaction time to just making plans, sizing plans. Just gonna kind of see where I want to stop out. Yeah, I think 935 is a good stop. Might be too tight actually. $41, I think. My lines kind of just disappeared. I didn't even realize. Shoot. What were they? 860. There we go. I think these are my lines. They look good to me. Yeah, these are my lines, and a 935 stop. We'll do 936. I haven't located anything yet. I think I'm gonna have to start locating pre-market, but like, it's scary because it's just gonna drain and bleed me because a lot of these don't pop. That's the problem. A lot of these are easy to borrow though, so that's good. And I write my main plans on sticky notes right in my monitor, so it reduces my reaction times. The problem I've been having recently is that there's a lot of low-hanging fruit, a lot of tickers, and I'm like really overwhelmed. So honestly, you just need to calm down, wait for market open, see which ones are popping, see what my pre-planned lines are, and they just react accordingly and put all the focus into that. Don't worry about anything else once you know which ticker is going to actually bounce. I could see a pop and stuff on GRTX, so I'm actually going to make plans to scale to high day from 330. But I think I'm going to size down on this because this could be tricky. I'm going to try to add to my winner. And then I'm going to have a 390. I'm gonna have a 401 stop. So I'm gonna get 25 shares here, each bullet. If this tanks a lot, I like the VWAP projection. Alright, now I'm looking on my other screens to see which low-hanging fruit are popping. And on GRTX, I'm just going to nail and bail this one, and if I want to reattack a pop after it confirms, then I will. I'm going to have my stop ready on my other montage. Actually, I could put my stop out now since I have all my orders out. Market 401. Alright, got my stop out. And on my other, well, pre-market 304 on GRTX was a heavy supply zone resistance area, so we could see it reject here. But to be honest, it's too low for me. It's too low. See, we're getting past it. We're pretty heavy here. I'm not gonna go early at all though. I'm gonna be patient. Oh, SGMA. Okay, this is my other low-hanging fruit. Oh, that thing stuffed massively. Alright. Blue, hopefully we can get a pop. We're staying in this area for a long time with heavy volume. I think we have a lot of supply here, so I think we could reject this area. But again, I don't want to get started too early. I really hope blue bounces because this is like the best. So I could even get my orders ready. Alright, let's see. Let's see if patience paid on DRTX for waiting for my line. Alright, Nest I have lines on. Man, 310. It's probably gonna reject. But it is kind of lingering here, so hovering around view up is not always good.
Dad said allow yourself lots of time. It was windy. There could be trees down.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh. 245. Oh, I need to locate. It looks like GRTX is gonna tank, to be honest. Why is this not working? It's not letting me short. Oh my gosh, shares literally ran out. That sucks. Oh shoot, locate 120. Are you kidding me? That sucks. I gotta start locating earlier. Alright, I'm scaling. I'm gonna stop out over this line 305, so I'm scaling about 25, 30 cents, so I'm gonna go 100 shares, I think. Let's do 80 actually. Let's go 80, 80, 80. Car call, 80. ALZN. 320. Inquire. I've got locate 2. And I'm gonna get it at, actually I'm gonna get in here. 27, I'm gonna go in 40, I'm gonna 50 shares here. 265, PSMTL, 270. I didn't get the shares I wanted. Oh, but okay, I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna actually add on confirmation here if I can, with a tight stop. So I'm gonna go full size if I can. So I'm in 50 shares already. 270. I'm gonna get my stop ready. 320. Dang, GRTX missed me. I think I'm gonna cancel my orders on it I'll reevaluate since I'm focused on ALZN now. PTPI, I have lines on. Actually, I'm going to focus on this. Where are my cover targets? 60 for sure. $250. I'm gonna try to add bigger size. I should have slammed, to be honest. To be completely honest, I should have slammed. Bigger size added to the winner. Let me see if NES has any more locates. Nope. Nothing. All right, this is the true test here. We've got 271 seller. Okay, we're going through that. Okay, we got selling on the tape. We had volume exhaustion that last time on that stuff. I'm looking at a 279 stop once this rejects and I slam. Okay, now I'm going to adjust my stop, market 279. 279. Alright, I've got my stop now. I might get trapped here, it looks like. That's why we have tight stops, and yeah. Oh, GRTX, let's see. That would have hit my lines by now. To be honest, I think I'm going to keep scaling on this. I'm going to scale on this. $325. I'll slice down though when scaling. I'll try to add to my winner on this. Go 20 shares. Actually, that volume candle there, that's kind of not good. Oh, PTPI. This is a better play. I'm going to focus on this. We've got 390 line. Okay, I'm going to get my covers ready on this. I'm going to go at 150 at... We've got support. $255, I think. gonna have a 258 cover, I think, on this. Thinking about tightening my stop, but I'm scared I'm just gonna get wicked out like I have been. Just gonna keep it. Just gonna keep it. I'll even put my covers out. Probably gonna get stopped. I say that on every trade, so 252. Just gonna have my covers out. It's finding support off this level here, 265. Man, should have went for my line. Should have went for my line. I just need to stick to my original plans. Gosh. And I'm at 320. I kind of want to cover some here, but I'm scared. I'm just getting emotional. We've got a big bidder. We're nearing 10 a.m., which is when these usually reverse. That bidder's not leaving. Oh, well, there you go. And then 355. Would you look at that? I'm gonna get out on the next wash. We've got a big seller now. I am so impatient on this covers. I'm so scared I'm gonna get back. Oh, BFRI. Let's see, BFRI. 5 minute. BFRI. See, look at that. I don't want to give back gains here. I'm gonna have a 267 to stop. Oh shoot, cancel. I have 170 shares. Market 267. Stop. Boom. All right, there we go. Now it shouldn't. Now perfect, perfect. Now I can be patient. I'm gonna put my order at. Sorry for background noise if you can hear that. I'm gonna get up 54. I'm being so greedy for 1 cent. Just get me out. Gosh dang it. It's gonna tank now, watch. BFRI. I'm looking to scale. Let's see, BFRI, where's my lines? 75. Eight. My whole tag agreed on this one, so I gotta play this. So I'm scaling. I'm gonna have a 30 stop, so I'm scaling about $1, so I'm gonna go in 20 shares here. So BFRI, I'm gonna go like 100 shares located. Okay, look at one. And then PSMTL, I'm gonna go in right now. 3710 short. This line. Then I have 750. I'm gonna cut out this. Oh shoot. I'm going 20 shares, so let me check my scaling, make sure I'm in check. 758 with a 8 with an 831 stop. Perfect, perfect. I sized accordingly nicely. Cover targets. There's kind of volume everywhere, so it's hard to pinpoint. We're pretty heavy here, to be honest. Oh, it might get past. I'm gonna get my 745 order out. 20 shares, 745. 745. And then I'm gonna do 795. And then stop. I'm gonna have my stop out just in case some freak thing happens. So I'm in 2460 shares. Stop 60. Market for 831. Boom. All right, now I'm gonna be looking to add to my winner. Oh, I hear blue is pushing. Perfect. It's easy to borrow. I've got 50, let's see. 845. $885. Oh, this is a stuff. PSMTL. Let's see, I'm risking about 30 cents here, so I'm gonna add in the rest of my size actually, so 20 shares. So I'm gonna add in like I'll add in 30. I don't feel super comfortable with this, so I'm not gonna add in as much. Well, no, see, that's my problem. Trade's pretty thin. 85. And then 9. 15. Alright, so I'm going to identify how much size I'm going to add. I'm going to risk about 30 cents probably. Therefore, I can get on 100. I can get on, I'd say, 130 shares. So I've located only 100. So I'm just going to go max size that I've located if I feel it's failing. So I'm just going to have my order ready at 685. And then I'm going to have my stop ready for 100 to input that at 731. And I've got to cancel these short orders once it fails. I'm going to change my line to my original line here. Alright, I'll be on the background getting ready for school. I've got my stops out, except for here actually. 150 stop. I've stopped at 936. Market 936. 936. Perfect. Boom. Alright, I will be right back. Hang on, I gotta add my winner, I think, on here. It's looking kind of weak, to be honest. Oh my gosh, look at the spread. I just realized. Oh, shoot. 731, stop, cancel that, market 731. I've actually got to go to school soon, so I think I'm going to cancel these blue orders. Doesn't look like it's going to pop either. Kind of, oh well, yeah, that was easy to borrow, so. I'm going to have my cover targets out on here, so I'm going to. And let's see, cover targets. I think I'm gonna get all out for like a scalp at 683. I'm gonna have half there for fantasy, just in case it tanks a lot. You know what? I just caught myself like worrying about this single trade. Do not worry about any individual trade. Okay, yes, I'm gonna get stopped out on some. Okay, but if I just take my trades, I'm gonna nail them. Okay? I need to have confidence. Like, yeah, I might get stopped out on this one, but the next 5 that I take this exact same way, I'm gonna nail. Okay? So I just need to stop stressing about taking a loss on any individual trade. There we go. I'm out some. Now I can do 50 stop. Market for 725, 726. I don't like that reclaim. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to school. Yep, that was good. Maybe I'll add something on later. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Emotions got me on this cover. If it tanks, I'm gonna be super wrong about it, but I don't like that reclaim, and I don't like how the spread is very massive, and I'm trading in a small range. I'm scared I'm gonna get massive slippage, because it's super thin, so I'm scared if it stops me out, I'm gonna get massive slippage. Let's see what I'm up on the day. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. Let's go. Today's a good day. Yeah, let's go. And that's because I actually risked 1R today. No, I didn't. Guys, I risked $30 on this trade, and my 1R is 50. Okay, I'm gonna get mad at myself later. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, it's after hours right now, and I just want to kind of recap my day because I did take a few more trades while I was at school actually, and also I'll show you guys what I do at the end of the day to recap my trading and to keep kind of like a journal to see how I'm improving and what I need to improve. So we'll just go over this. So what did I do good today? I successfully added to winner on both my main setups today. And ALZN, you could see this was the view up reject in the morning, and I plan to scale all the way to 3 right here. You can see the volume profile. That's where all the supply is. I don't want to be in if it reclaims 3 because there's no supply, and that's the main resistance. So I was wanting to scale there, but it rejected view up, and I added to my winner. You can see that second short arrow. Okay, that's my add, and I did it fairly quickly, and I was able to successfully recognize that confirmation, and I nail bailed, mainly because we're getting near 10 o'clock, which is when most of these type of plays reject or reverse, and so that's kind of like my time rule. So that was pretty perfect, and then I actually went back for a scalp while I was at school, the 3 line, and you could see if I scroll up what needed improving today. I need to become less emotional when trading midday. I had fears of giving back gains, and I did not trust my plans, which worked. As I just told you, my plan was to short 3. Just because I make this trade in the morning doesn't mean I'm not going to still trade that other plan. It doesn't mean that other plan is not going to work. Of course it's still going to work. And actually, I was at school at this moment, and I was talking about this with my friends, and I was like, I don't know if I should play. I don't know. And while I was stressing, one of my tabs took it, Aiden, in my tag group. He took it and he nailed it. It was beautiful. And that just showed me, like, I just need to trust the lines. And overall, like, also something I said in this live trade, you guys might want to skip it back. I think I was trading BFRI or whatever that ticker is, BFRI. I was saying, you know what? It doesn't matter if I get stopped out on this individual trade. It's the majority of the trades. If I take this trade 50 times, how successful will I be? And ALZN, if I take this $3 line 50, 100 times, I'm going to be profitable. Therefore, I just need to take it. I'm just overthinking midday because I'm not used to trading midday. I'm much more confident with my main setups, and I'll take those any day of the week. But I'm trying to take baby steps towards getting confident in lines past 10 o'clock. My other trade was BFRI. This was just off the resistance lines, and I added to my winner on this one too, successfully. I plan to scale all these 3 lines. Again, my original plan worked. You could see, my original plan worked perfectly. But, this one I wasn't able to trade because I was driving to school, so I literally couldn't trade it. But you could see that just because I make a trade early and nail and bail and get all out doesn't mean the rest of the plan isn't going to work. It's going to work. And so in the future, I just need to keep playing my plan even after I take a nail bail trade on it. But also, I was able to add to the winner here, and I just nail and bailed on red to green. It was kind of just a small scalp, but you know, it was a solid gain. And I didn't risk 1R like I wanted to. Both these trades, I was risking about $40, and then $40 here. And 1R for B is $50, so I need to get up there. And I was just looking over my stats. I'm literally risking the same amount per trade that I was losing like every day when I was trading OTCs like 6 months ago. So, you know, I just need to size up and stop being so scared, because like my stats show how profitable I am. I'll show you guys my stats real quick, but let's moving on. CPSH, I traded this for a scalp at school. It should not have been a scalp because my overall thesis was fade. And that's because this is a clearly manipulated ticker. You could see the wicks, it's so clear that it's manipulated. Once you identify that, you need to understand the agenda of these manipulators, which is to stop out shorts over high a day and then clear out and then dump it back to the liquidity zone. Okay, and so this was the upper level. You could use the volume profile to identify the upper level. So you can see this is the upper level. I shorted above it on this little micro shelf here. And since I was in school, I was like, you know, stressed. And like I said, I'm still not confident in midday trading, so I just took the scalp. I pretty much knew this was going to fade. And in the future, I will have reattacked this bounce here, covered, and then re-added here on this bounce, and then covered, and then possibly re-added. I don't know. This territory is a little more this one's a little more unfamiliar to me, but like these trades here, there's a lot of potential. So yeah, that was that. Some other things, what needed improving today. I missed a pre-planned opportunity because I waited too long to locate. And actually, funny story, my friend Sam, he located the last of the shares, and pretty much right as I was trying to locate, because I clicked locate, it said, oh, you've got this many available. I think it was like 250, and I was trying to locate like 200, and then I was like, oh, I don't know, is it gonna get to my line? I waited like another 30 seconds, and I was like, okay, it's gonna get to my line. Let me locate, and then they were gone. So I just need to locate. I need to pay the price, okay? Because that opportunity, that would have been another $50 gain, and I'm up $40 net today. So that would have been like a huge trade because that was a main one. And actually, let me try to find out what ticker that was. I totally forgot. It was like NE. What ticker was that? Shoot. NES. It was perfect. Okay, let me show you guys. NES was beautiful. I love this. And pre-market or after hours, like right after this video, I'm gonna make plans for tomorrow. I make pre-market plans, but the day before. So I have this. I just put them all in Discord and stuff. NES, I really like a lot. Clear supply zones and no-brainer lines to short. All right, I had 250, 275, and 3. All right, 250, 275, and 3, and you can see the volume profile. Now let's zoom out. Let's look at how perfect this plan played out. Boom. Pre-market, it worked very nicely. Again, pre-market, I hesitated because I'm not used to trading pre-market. I was like, I don't know. And then boom, I missed it. And then look, market open. Perfect. Literally hit the line. Perfect. Would have been a solid game. Perfect area to add to the winner right here. Right here. Perfect trade. And then Bao, Modern Rock in MIC, he came back and attacked this line. It was perfect. This is a good channel too. And I missed out on so much opportunity just because I was scared of losing like $2 on the locates. Like they weren't even that expensive. They were like $2. So I need to get over that. I have so much, like you could ask my friends, I have so much locate FOMO. I just need to pay the price. I just need to pay the price. If I think I'm gonna trade it, then I just need to pay the price. Especially if the locates look like they could run out. Anyways, just to finish this off, it's probably a very long video, but the real ones that want to learn will watch it. Daily journal. I used bigger size when adding to my winner, and I traded despite having scared to give back gains. Yeah, so I took baby steps midday. I took 2 trades, which is more than I expected. I don't usually trade midday, but I took the baby steps. Now tomorrow, I'm going to have a little bit more confidence trading my lines midday. And it's just taking that 1% step every day. That's why I also have this tab, how did I improve 1% today? I took baby steps, so I was trusting lines midday. I'm gaining confidence using bigger size. I'm trying to get up to that 1R risk that I want. And then overall, solidifying my foundation in trading by executing my plan successfully and seeing the success. Really quickly, I'll show you guys my stats. I don't know why I haven't sized up. It doesn't make sense to me. These are my stats, and then over the 60 days, it's been really amazing, to be honest, and it's just awesome to actually see like the growth. But yeah, I'm not rushing it, but I need to make sure I'm not too slow. Like I need to be uncomfortable, and I am uncomfortable. Like I was very emotional midday today, trying to like, oh, this line's good, but I'm scared for all these reasons I just come up with. But yeah. Anyways, I mean, that's that. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this new kind of video. I'm gonna be doing them every day so far as they are, if they're beneficial to me, because I'm gonna be rewatching this myself. And yeah. See you all tomorrow. Good luck. Make your plans. Follow your plans. Risk management is key. Peace.